Close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are customizing my new iPad. I don't know why I had to sing to that, but it's 2023. We're going in with a new mindset. It's gonna be great. So this is the 9th generation iPad. This is the 64 gig. I just want to use this to like organize my life. I got it for my birthday in September, and I'm now just using it, and it's like the new year, but we're gonna be successful. Okay, so we need to organize our thoughts, journal, scheduling, all that fun stuff. So we're just gonna customize it today. Super excited. I definitely need some accessories. I got a stylus so that I can take my little notes and stuff like that and just use it like on the daily. I need to work on getting an iPad case, screen protector, and I think that's about it that I kind of need. Maybe a keyboard, but I don't plan on editing as much on here because my videos are super long depending on like what it is. Okay, let me not cry this thing. But I already have fingerprints all over it. But it comes with a charger. Duh. I mean, actually, I can't even say duh because Apple chooses not to give you chargers and stuff. And then it comes with this little booklet. So yeah, you do receive charger, block, iPad. And it's so cute. I think I may have to charge it before even doing anything. Maybe not. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, she's super, super cute. Love it. Let's see. Press home to open. English, please. We have all these stupid apps. What is all of this? Like, I don't need all of this. I probably won't keep that. I just want to organize a few things and definitely get this together. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times are the Widgetsmith. So you can customize your iPad the way that you want. The next one is gonna be the clock app. I don't know which one it is. Flipclock? Maybe it is Flipclock. Yes, it's gonna be Flipclock. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Sticky notes plus widget memo. Oh, I need that. The other one that I wanted to do was Freeform. It's new, but it's for brainstorming. I definitely need that. Search. So it's gonna be this one. On Pinterest, you can find lots of different pictures. I feel like it's a perfect app to kind of find like your aesthetic for anything that you want, to be honest. And you can truly find what you need on Pinterest. You can find any color palette, any aesthetic. Pinterest is your go-to. So like I have like a lot of like luxury, a lot of plus size and mid-size styles. Like different quotes are really, really nice. But I'm thinking like neutrals, earthy tones. It's a vibe. So that's what we're gonna try to find. So yeah, all you really have to do is just search it up to whatever you want to do. So let's look up nude aesthetic photos vibe. So it has like, well, not that one. I didn't literally mean nudes, because what is that? But yeah, so nude aesthetics. Oh, it's a vibe. And I love me some black women. I like this. And with Pinterest, you can save any photos. So I'm just gonna add it to my photos. And I really like this. Ooh, vibing, because it's just a vibe. Ooh, black girl, save. I love a good flat lay. Love that. And love this one. And then to just add your widget, your time clock one, it's right here. In order to kind of like change the widget, all you need to do is like select it, the photo, or you could do photo album, which is cool. We'll choose from files. No, choose from, what the hell? Choose from photos, and we're gonna do small, cute, done. Like kind of like jiggle the thing, edit home screen. Go to add, and then you go to widget at the bottom, add the small widget that we just made, and then it's there. So cute. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Oh, I gotta show y'all what iPad cases I'm looking for, and just like accessories. So I'll probably put them in my Amazon basket so you guys can say. Yeah, they're like $10 on Amazon. Yeah, I was thinking about this one, but in a different color. But I honestly wanted something really, really neutral, like nothing too bright. Let's see. And there aren't that many like cute colors for real. But I definitely wanted something that I could like stand up if I wanted to. Oh, this one has 12 colors. Or is that the one I just looked at? And then I already have a stylus. Yeah, this was compatible for like iPads, all type of stuff. The mini cell phones. So it was like $16. So it's pretty nice. You guys have seen a lot. You guys have seen a lot. So yeah, that is basically it. Yeah, I just really wanted to like keep myself organized. Like I feel like it's very important, like at my big age. Love you guys. Thanks for customizing my iPad with me. I honestly loved it. Like it was difficult at first. It's hard to get used to. But it was really, really cute. So those are my few tips on if you want to like organize your stuff. So I'll also be linking like all of the apps down below if like you forget the name of it or if I didn't like really say it clearly. But yeah, thanks for customizing with me. I'll see you guys in the next one.
This girl is the nastiest skank I've ever met.